Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to remove news and interests in Windows 11 so you can clean up your taskbar and remove distracting widgets. This works on the latest Windows 11 version. First, right-click an empty area on the taskbar. Click Taskbar Settings. Under Taskbar Items, find Widgets. Turn Widgets off. The Weather and News panel will immediately disappear from the taskbar. Now, if you want to further reduce content suggestions, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Personalization. Click Start. Turn off Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. This prevents suggested content from appearing in the Start menu. If widgets still appear when pressing Windows key plus W, open Settings again. Click Apps. Click Installed Apps. Search for Windows Web Experience Pack. Click the three dots and click Advanced Options if available. You can reset it or uninstall if your version allows removal. Restart your computer after making changes. Your Windows 11 taskbar should now be clean without news and interests. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.